All right, guys. So today is Sunday, and I'm out here. Sunday is like my family day, but I took the opportunity to wake up early and come do this real quick. So I have an exhaust leak, and while I'm at it, you know, I'm gonna change the whole exhaust. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, I guess that's garbage. Ooh. Let's replace that with some performance exhaust. And if you see my other videos, look how nice and clean the chassis of this car is considering its age. Alright, time to get to work. Time to get to work. So I told these guys to try to put the exhaust a little higher, well, as high as he could, just so I won't have a problem, scraping or anything like that. So, let's see how he does it. Let's see how he does it. Nice and bent. All right, so we are Astro Auto Mufflers right here located at City Field. Now, most of y'all know this is the spot, but you got to find the right person to do it. Even though this is a spot, a lot of people is out here just conning people. They know what they're doing. They just trying to get you for your buck, and give you a bullshit job. But not here. This shop is good. I recommend it. They know what they're doing. Well, at least, sometimes they switch up workers here and then, and you don't find the same quality sometimes. But I've been working with these guys for the longest, and the same staff is here, so I feel comfortable with them. So this strip is recommended, guys. Alright, now to put them tips. Now, I didn't know what kind of tips to use, but they got these, I guess this will do for now. Now pretty soon, I thought it long and hard. I wanted to keep this car static just because, that's what, most people in Japan go for, is static life. But out here, to be honest, the roads ain't so clean like Japan or anywhere else. New York streets suck. Got some horrible potholes out here. So look how these teeth are looking. They're looking dope, That'll do for now. I like how they curved them down like that, and keep the muffler as high as they could. They really listened to when I said I wanted it high. So it's pretty high. And they just curved the tips down. That's creative, I guess. Now he's actually fixing the small exhaust leak that's coming right from the catalytic. Well, that was the last step, and I guess I'm done. I'm done. I'm pretty much done. Time to be out. So I gotta go pick up my daughter, and spend some time with her, chill. You know. So I'm happy with the results. Time to hear this baby purr. Alright, so I told one of the workers to put the car out just so I could record. And I'm guessing he's confused. He turned on the windshield wipers. He's trying to figure it out. It's not that hard, buddy. There you go. Alright, back up nice and slow. Nice and slow. Alright, a little too slow. Hurry up, guy. There you go. Nice and easy, though. I really gotta give this car a wash, though. This car really shines when it's nice and clean. I like the way it is. For the record, I don't want a loud exhaust. I already got a loud car, and that's the Charger. Yes, hijo de puta, ya me dañó el truck. Damn, nigga fucked on my front bumper already. I hope not.
Es que uno para manejar ese lado es como difícil, ¿ves? Tú te acostumbraste ya.
Ya me acostumbré. Alright guys, so like I said, this car shines when it's nice and clean, so gotta give it a nice car wash. And it's still early, so after this we're going for a ride. So I picked up my daughter and we just kicking it, and we're gonna go for a ride after this. So you gotta teach them young, guys. You gotta teach them young. She likes my cars as well, so she said she wanted to try it out, try to clean it. But I think she just likes the water splashing on her. It's hot out here. Oh, let me fix this real quick. There you go. So yeah, you can start seeing some of the shine in the paint. It's like a orange pearl to it. Well, let's get her clean, guys. Nice and shiny. You gone. All right, guys. So I did the exhaust this afternoon. And let's see how this baby purrs. I don't want nothing crazy, you know what I mean? I just wanted something nice. Sounds nice enough. Nothing too crazy, guys. Right hand drive gang, baby. Woo! Look at the BBKs, look at the BBKs. Right hand drive gang, guys. Make sure you follow. See you on the next video. Things are gonna get much interesting. I have not been on YouTube lately, but you know, I'm just a busy man, guys, but I'm gonna bring you more videos thanks to you guys. Keep subscribing. It just cheers me up to keep making these videos, guys. Peace.